What is good, YouTube? What is good, squad, man? Welcome back to another video. Today, guys, you guys with another good one. I'm gonna try to be more consistent, as I said. So, before we get into this video, make sure y'all following my IG in the description down below. I post on my stories whenever I am or will not be posting on YouTube. So we're gonna get right into this video, man. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Y'all already here, you might as well hit that button. Whoa!
Break glass, break glass, break glass! Get out the car! Get out! Get out!
CB escalating quick. Yo, what the fuck is happening?
Come on!
Where are they at? Cause that's a hard accent.
Come on!
Is this the person? Did they really do all that and go like 2 inches ahead, bruh?
Yeah.
This person cannot drive. This person cannot drive. Bro, there's an opening right there beside you, bro. This person cannot drive.
She's not gonna make it far. Go.
You got some charges on your hand. Bro, where are you going in that truck and what are you doing? That person was trying to avoid getting their car hit like a motherfucker. Hey, bro, look. He's like, hell nah, nigga, back away from my shit. Hey, I swear, if that nigga would've hit my shit, bro, I would've hopped out that motherfucker, bro. I would've busted that nigga, cause you gonna pay this shit. Look. That nigga said, get the fuck away from my car. These niggas gotta show a their lifetime right now. This person don't know how to drive. And this is a woman, apparently.
I got you.
And they got in the car. All right, nice.
Ma'am. We got it.
I know I'm buckled, sir. I know I'm buckled, sir.
Yeah.
Sir. I didn't do it, sir.
You just tried to kill 10 people.
No, I didn't, sir.
Alex, what's wrong?
I didn't do anything. What the hell?
Sir! I didn't do it. Stop. You have... No. Why have you done... Stop. Stop. I didn't do it.
It won't fit. It won't fit.
What the hell am I watching? She really just said she didn't do it? Nah, sweetheart, you dead.
Get it. Make it fit.
What the fuck are y'all struggling for, nigga?
I did not do it. I did not do whatever you guys are talking about. I did not do anything you guys are talking about.
He just wrecked 3 police
No,
cars.
I did not. Because
And a couple others.
About 3 freaking stop signs ago and started saying that I was driving recklessly and I was not.
Well, I
You
almost
could have
did.
killed that kid. I didn't do anything. Yes, you did. You almost killed 3 fucking people. How? What did I do? Don't even ask how. How? You killed 3 people.
Put her in my car. Yeah.
And it was a kid in the back seat. It's crazy.
Yeah, no, we're good. Thank you. Yeah, I'm good. Yeah.
She didn't mind her business.
Now you just had a wreck.
Look out! Break glass, break glass, break glass.
Get out the car! Get out! Get out! Tires are flat. Move!
Man, we're not reliving that whole chase again, bro. That's crazy. Man, y'all stay safe out there as always. We out.